Hi, let's draw these mushrooms. What we need: gouache, brushes, palette, water, watercolor paper, and a pencil. First, I draw a half circle. This will be the mushroom cap. Divide the lower part into 3 and draw the curved lines down. The lower part of the mushroom stem is wider. The mushroom cap is too straight. I'll draw a wave instead of a straight line. It should look like a figure 8. I correct and erase extra lines. No one can draw perfectly first time. I'll draw a second, small mushroom. In the same way I draw a half circle, divide it into 3 parts, a rounder stem. I will draw another mushroom cap, a simple oval. We will also have grass, but we will immediately draw with paints. Let's color. Instead of green, mix blue and yellow. You need a lot of yellow and a little bit of blue. I mix twice. In the second, I add more blue to make 2 different greens. I like this green. We are not afraid to draw a big grass right on the mushrooms. Good gouache will easily paint on top. Add some white to brown. This is the color of the mushroom. I mix ochre with white to paint over the bottom of the cap. I mix white and some black. Even less black. This color is suitable for the stem. For a distant mushroom, I take a darker gray. And even darker to draw a shadow. Add highlights and the grass in the foreground.